I arrived at the airport 2 hours before my flight. I arrived at the airport 2 hours before my flight. Our flight was delayed due to bad weather. Our flight was delayed due to bad weather. I bought my plane ticket online. I bought my plane ticket online. You need a passport to travel internationally. You need a passport to travel internationally. Don't forget to pack your luggage. Don't forget to pack your luggage. Show your boarding pass at the gate. Show your boarding pass at the gate. We booked a hotel room with a sea view. We booked a hotel room with a sea view. I used a map to find my way around. I used a map to find my way around. We took a taxi to the hotel. We took a taxi to the hotel. I bought a souvenir to remember my trip. I bought a souvenir to remember my trip. We traveled by train to the next city. We traveled by train to the next city.